Imagine waking up and the internet is just gone. No Instagram, no TikTok, no Google, no YouTube. 24 hours of total global silence. What happens next might shock you. At first, you'd think it's just your Wi-Fi, but quickly the world realizes it's not just you, it's everyone. Banks freeze, stock markets crash, emergency services go dark, air traffic control scrambles to land planes manually. Chaos begins within minutes. Doctors lose access to cloud-based records. Factory robots go offline. Delivery services stop. Your smart fridge? Dumb now. Even power grids and water systems start glitching. Because the internet runs far more than we think. Social media's silence hits hard. No one knows what's true. Rumors spread like wildfire, not online, but on the streets. Some people panic. Others feel peace. There's a strange calm in the disconnection. Time slows down. Conversations return. Governments scramble to reboot the system. Backup networks activate. But the damage is done. Billions in losses. Trust shaken. And a chilling realization. We're more fragile than we thought. The internet is invisible, but it holds up our entire world. What if this happens again and doesn't come back? Would we survive or collapse?